hardworking person. Okay, kahit lalaki pwede. They can be beautiful also. Okay? Pwede natin sabihin yun sabay-sabay, and can we make that an affirmation in the morning, just like a prayer? Okay, everybody say, I am beautiful, incredibly intelligent, and hardworking person. Ulitin natin. I am beautiful, incredibly intelligent, hardworking person, and you will be. It shall be done. It shall happen. Okay. So, they said, whatever you say will really be you. Okay. So, image actually encompasses several facets of a persona. And what are these? Okay, first, I for alright. Okay.